Y'all, this has been one of the most emotional, eye-opening, and powerful things Billy and I have ever done. From the moment we put out the call for help after Hurricane Melissa, y'all showed up. People were dropping off supplies at Brico, ordering from Amazon, and reaching out to help however they could. Our living room turned into a full donation center, for real. We packed 10 full suitcases with everything from diapers and wipes to flashlights, soap, feminine products, medical supplies, and clothes. Our friends came over, rolled up their sleeves, and helped us sort and organize for hours. The love was real. When we landed in Montego Bay, my heart sank. Looking out the window, the trees were brown. The lush green I'm used to seeing in Jamaica was gone. At the airport, though, almost everyone had a generator, and it was beautiful to see people coming home to help their loved ones. Huge shout out to Special Memories Tours and Transfers, who volunteered to meet us at the airport and somehow fit all 10 suitcases in his van. That's community in action right there. Thank you so much, James. On the drive to the hotel, we saw downed light poles, debris, destruction, and that's when it really hit me. This wasn't going to be a drop-off mission. Jamaica needed hands-on help. So Billy jumped in with World Central Kitchen, and y'all, this man was up at 4 a.m. every morning cooking curry chicken and rice for 30 to 40,000 people a day, using the biggest pots I've ever seen, cranking out tons of food. He worked with so much passion and purpose, and that kitchen was hot, but he kept going. I'm so proud of him. He worked hard, y'all. I spent my days with Operation Blessing, an incredible organization distributing life-saving aid. I helped them pack and distribute food packages with rice, canned goods, soup, and more, hygiene kits with toothpaste, deodorant, pads, and baby bundles with diapers, wipes, and bottles, all the essentials that you guys donated. We even made clothing packages for adults and kids. But the part that broke me was going out in the communities. We handed out hot meals to the children and elderly who, if we weren't there, wouldn't have anything to eat. We met a woman who lost everything and is trying to raise 3 kids with no roof over her head. She said to me, "All I want to do is feed my children." That broke me down. Another mother shared how her baby's entire wardrobe was destroyed, and she didn't even have a bottle or a blanket left. It's devastating. It really is. And as much as we brought, it wasn't enough. The supplies went fast. There are still so many families that need help. So we're not done. Billy and I are planning to come back. This isn't a one-time trip. We're in this for the long haul. So if you're looking for a way to help, drop off donations at Restaurant Brico, 78 LaSalle Street, West Hartford, Connecticut, 06107. Or order on Amazon and ship to Brico. Or donate directly at operationblessing.org/donate. Just make sure you note Hurricane Melissa Jamaica Relief. Let's keep showing up for Jamaica, y'all. There's still work to do, and we're not stopping. This island really needs us.